Science with Fred, starring Fred G. Hancock, and also starring Bob Blaze, you idiot. That's him. That's Bob, and J Squared. Thank you. Hello, class. Hello, Fred. Call me Mr. Hancock. Anyway, today we'll be learning physical science with Fred. And we will soon be learning, now we are going to be learning friction and gravity. Now let's see how this works. What happens when you pull a No, this is boring. Let's learn it Fred style. You guys want to learn Fred style, right? Fred style? Woo! Didn't I expel you two? Actually, we're the only 2 students in this class. Oh. In that case, let's continue. Let's read the definition of friction. The force that 2 surfaces exert on each other when they rub against each other, which is called friction. So let's see an example of this. These 2 surfaces are rubbing against each other. The skis and the ground, right? So the direction of these guys are going this way, but friction slows them down, which eventually leads to stopping this way. Let's learn the types of friction. Static friction. Static friction is when you're not moving, but 2 objects are... Okay. Here. You 2 demonstrate. So they're pushing with the same amount of speed. 0.5 newtons. Right? They're pushing with the same amount of speed. And so nothing is happening, so that is also known as static friction. Next friction. Sliding friction. When you're forced to slide. Now, let us see an example of that. We don't want to use the books example. Here. Oh my gosh. Stay there. Okay, fine. So these 2 are the sliding friction. And here's the direction of motion. Sliding friction. Are you guys seriously can't push that? Kick. No, I'm just joking. Oh, we can easily pick that up. Uh-oh. The gravity, since there's no weight since there is no friction, it's only gravity, so this is also known as a free fall. 9.8 seconds. Yeah, it's 9.8 something, right? Gravity. Oh. I believe gravity, yeah. Gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Ah! Can you guys please help me get out of this? Sure, Fred. Anyway, let's continue on. Now let's go on to rolling friction, when something is being rolled. Roll your boat gently down the stream. We're not rolling, we are doing something else. And for the last one, fluid friction. Falling. Air resistance, fluid friction. And if there is no friction, that would mean nothing around there, just gravity acting upon the object, it would be known as free fall. But see, this is going... Okay, anyway, let me tell you something that you might find interesting. Every two objects will fall, not even if there's... Okay, let me explain it better. So here we have Fred, right? And here we have a weight, right? If this was to... What I mean to say is, if we drop these two objects, they will still hit the ground at the same time, despite heavier mass. This weighs like 1 ounce. No, it weighs nothing. So let us test this. Let's see. You see? Wait, let me do this again. You see, they hit the ground at the exact same time. So, tune in next time for Fred. Wait. Science with Fred.